welcome back to another video of Chop Chop Chop. Today we are making Kung Pao tofu or Kung Pao tofu. Things you will need: dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, shaoxing rice wine, Chinese black vinegar, cornstarch, sugar, garlic, some dried chilies. Cut them in half and get most of the seeds out depending on how spicy you want it. And I also got some sichuan peppercorns. Not too many. Got my tofu, extra firm, and peanuts, carrots, celery. Corn is optional, but it just all depends on what you want. So we're gonna start with our tofu. Put it in a bowl. We're going to add some cornstarch and we're gonna fry it. You can use a wok or a stovetop. I'm using my fryer because it's more convenient for me. All right. I'm gonna toss it in the fryer. All right, while that's going, let's make our sauce. Tablespoon of light soy sauce. Tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Tablespoon of black vinegar. You can use white vinegar also, if you like. Tablespoon of shaoxing rice wine. Now we're gonna make our slurry also. So you take a little bit of cornstarch, mix it with a little bit of water. A little bit of water. And this is just gonna thicken up our broth. We're gonna mix our slurry with our sauce. And this is just gonna thicken up a lot. And we're gonna use about a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna use a half a teaspoon sugar. You can use a full teaspoon. It's all up to you. Just to get a little bit of sweetness to it. All right, looks like our tofu's ready. I'm gonna just turn this on, nice and crispy. We'll turn our heat on. All right, oil's nice and hot. We're gonna toss in our veggies, carrots, and corn. Next, we're gonna add our garlic. And I have dried ginger, but you can use fresh, just a little bit. Now we're gonna toss in our sichuan peppercorns and our chilies. Some more oil. All right, now our sauce. Add tofu. Light soy sauce, a little more. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look at that. All right, now we're gonna try it out. Let's see how it tastes. Oh man, dude, this one was a banger. Check this out. Oh, it looks so good. This isn't the most traditional way to make it, but for me, like, as an American growing up, like, you know, the corn, the celery, that's what I grew up eating. So that's what I put in my, and this works the same. So if you want to use chicken or, you know, shrimp, anything you want to use, the sauce is the same. Just switch your protein. But let's get right to it, man. We also got some rice, you know what I'm saying? Oh, dude, look at that, man. Just look, bro, the color of the caramelization. Like, look at it. Oh my God, look at that. It's so good. Give it a try. Oh my God, that's so good, dude. I like really, really hot food. Even without the chilies, it's super hot, super good. But the numbing from that Sichuan peppercorn is so good, man. Like, oh my goodness. Corn too. Such some rice. 10 out of 10. So authentic, man. Probably my favorite Chinese dish of all time growing up. So obviously, I had to make it, man. You know what I mean? So good. The recipe will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Catch y'all next time. Peace.